My name is Anu. Today I'm going to share my philosophy of education. As a teacher, first of all, I will center all the student and engage them in the lesson and make them feel safe and well and provide a safe learning environment. I will take time to understand each student's individual learning needs and use a variety of teaching strategies to support their development. And this approach is aligned with Australian Institute for the Teaching and School Leadership APST standards 1.1 and 1.3, which focus on understanding students and supporting a diverse learning needs. It also connects with the Australian curriculum, personal and social capabilities by promoting confidence, respect, and positive relationship. And then equity and inclusion. I will ensure that all students have equal access to the learning material and opportunity to share their ideas in the class regardless of their background. In my class, all students have the different culture and they may have the different language, so I help them to understand all the learning material in the different way. And so I adopt the 8 ways of a learning method, which this include the story sharing, learning maps, non-verbal learning, hands-on activities. And this framework support a flexible and inclusive learning by connecting education to the real life experience and communities. And it also encourages students to learn through the observation, practice, and reflection. And this approach is support the fairness and respect for the diversity, and it aligns with the APST standards 1.3 and 1.5, which emphasizes on supporting students from the diverse background and differentiating teaching to meet the individual needs. And then I focus on the foster critical thinking. I will directly involve all the students through the group activities, allow them to share ideas and learn from one another. According to the Rolf librarians, it improves communication and support the development of the critical thinking. Through the collaboration, students analyze, evaluate, and understand one another. Yeah, and this align with the APST by promoting student engagement and inclusive learning practices. And then I focus on literacy and numeracy. I also integrate literacy and numeracy across all the subject area to help students communicate ideas effectively, solve problems confidently. And this approach align with APST standard 2.5, which focus on applied literacy and numeracy strategies across the curriculum to enhance students. And finally, I will prepare students for the lifelong learners. I will prepare students to become a lifelong learners who are not only depend on the teacher or the curriculum, but also motivate to seek knowledge independently. By supporting general capabilities such as a critical thinking, personal and social skill, and ICT, I aim to develop flexible, confident, self-directed learners who are ready for the future and are ready for the future for the